Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Vw Golf, 1.6 TDI, 115B horsepower, 5 door trendline in a stunning red exterior colour. With 31,032 kilometers on the clock, this diesel manual estate is the perfect combination of style and performance. Packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and safety features such as ABS, multiple airbags, and collision alert. This car is designed for comfort and peace of mind on the road. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie to learn more today.